In this video, you'll learn how to effectively revise and edit a listing on your eBay account. This guide will help you make necessary adjustments to improve your product's visibility and sales performance. Begin by navigating to your eBay account and accessing the dashboard. From there, locate the section labeled Active Listings. This area displays all your currently listed items. Identify the specific item you wish to edit. Next to this item, you will see an option labeled Revise. Click on this option to proceed. After selecting it, you may need to wait a moment for the listed editor to load fully. Once the editor appears, you will be able to review the current details of your listing. This includes information such as the title, price, and description. Accessing the listing in this way allows you to make the necessary changes to enhance its appeal. Take your time to carefully examine the existing information to ensure you are aware of what needs to be updated. Now, you can begin editing the information as needed. You might want to modify the title to make it more attractive to potential buyers. Adjust the price if necessary, based on market research or inventory considerations. If your product's description requires enhancements or additional details, feel free to update it accordingly. Also, check and adjust the stock quantity if your inventory has changed since the original listing. If the shipping options need to be modified, make those adjustments as well. Ensuring that the category is accurate is crucial as it affects how buyers find your item. Correcting any errors during this phase is essential for improving your listing's performance. After making all the necessary edits, it's important to preview your listing before finalizing the changes. This step allows you to confirm that the formatting appears correct and that all information is displayed as intended. Once you are satisfied with how everything looks, locate and click the button labeled Submit Revisions. This will initiate the saving process for your changes. You may need to wait briefly for a confirmation message indicating that your revisions have been successfully submitted. Finally, refresh the listing page to verify that your saved edits have updated instantly. This refresh will show you the latest version of your listing with all the changes you have made. Regularly revising and editing your listings can significantly enhance their performance and attract more potential buyers, ensuring a better sales experience. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.